So for record and for the media purposes and even for the rest, as per the record and your own submission,
correct,
under oath,
yes,
the deceased was presented to the Central Police Station in normal state, physically.
Yes, as per this,
yes,
and it is very, very clear.
Okay. We picked that.
While appearing normal.
Yes.
And we are going to
Of course, he's not a doctor, I know, but appearing normal.
Exactly.
Okay.
You can know who has been physically.
And that is when you contacted the wife to
exactly,
confirm his arrival.
Exactly. No,
okay,
just before that.
Yes.
About 8 minutes before that.
Okay.
So that is documented, and we can provide an extract of that. Then come to 01:35 hours of 8th now. OB9. The same PC Mohammed Rashid Hilo Abdullahi made an OB entry in the digital occurrence book, and where he stated, and I will repeat, now Duty Officer IP Nganga and the cell sentry PC Kimani have visited the cells and found most of them well. Apart from the last cell, there was a spelling mistake when he wrote the word apart. He wrote apeton. The last cell where he found a prisoner, namely Albert Omondi Ojwang, who was alone in his cells, making a lot of noise while kicking the cell walls. This is an extract from the digital OB. It cannot be manipulated, and it cannot be changed or altered. Now, I was looking for, Honorable Chair, a correspondence from the Mbagadi Hospital, but I should be getting